Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting upcoming smartphones, the Realme Ultra. This flagship device is packed with cutting-edge technology, a powerful processor, DSLR-level camera capabilities, and a stunning display. If you're looking for a premium smartphone experience without compromise, this might just be the perfect device for you. So, let's break down everything you need to know about the Realme Ultra, from its design and display to performance, battery, cameras, and software. Starting with the display, the Realme Ultra comes with a stunning AMOLED panel that delivers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and an incredible contrast ratio. The high refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, seamless animations, and an immersive experience whether you're gaming, watching high-definition content, or simply navigating through the interface. With HDR10+ certification and an ultra-high peak brightness, outdoor visibility is effortless, making sure you get a clear and vivid display even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching 4K videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or editing photos, the Realme Ultra's display is built to impress. When it comes to design, Realme has pushed the boundaries of premium aesthetics. The device is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass protection, making it both sleek and durable. The curved edges and ultra-thin bezels add to its futuristic look, while the matte finish on the back ensures a comfortable grip and minimizes fingerprint smudges. The camera module is seamlessly integrated, maintaining a clean and elegant aesthetic. Under the hood, the Realme Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a flagship-level processor built for high performance and efficiency. With this powerful chip, multitasking becomes effortless, gaming reaches new heights of smoothness, and AI-driven optimizations ensure intelligent power management. Coupled with the Adreno GPU, the device can handle demanding games with maxed-out graphics settings, delivering stunning visuals and fast response times. The LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage further enhance speed, ensuring faster app launches, smoother performance, and ample storage for all your high-resolution content. Whether you're an avid gamer, a productivity enthusiast, or a content creator, the Realme Ultra delivers a flawless experience with zero lag or slowdowns. The advanced vapor chamber cooling system keeps the device running at optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions. One of the standout features of the Realme Ultra is its DSLR-Level Camera Setup, bringing professional-grade photography to a smartphone. The large primary sensor captures incredible detail, even in challenging low-light conditions, producing crisp, sharp, and natural-looking images. The periscope telephoto lens offers high-level optical zoom capabilities, allowing users to zoom in on distant subjects without losing quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, macro shots, or high-resolution portraits, the Realme Ultra ensures every shot is detailed, well-balanced, and full of life. The AI-powered image processing further enhances photos with improved HDR, color accuracy, and noise reduction, ensuring professional-level results with every capture. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for panoramic shots and group photos, while the telephoto lens with periscope zoom technology enables incredible clarity even at long distances. The front-facing 32MP selfie camera ensures sharp and naturally enhanced portraits, perfect for both selfies and video calls. Additionally, the Realme Ultra's video recording capabilities are top-notch, offering 4K recording, advanced stabilization, and AI-enhanced video processing, making it an ideal choice for vloggers and content creators. When it comes to battery life, the Realme Ultra is built to last. Packed with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, the device ensures that users can go through an entire day without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using GPS for navigation, the power-efficient chipset and software optimizations ensure maximum battery longevity. And when it's time to recharge, the ultra-fast charging technology comes into play. With wired charging speeds exceeding 100 W and support for wireless charging, the Realme Ultra ensures that you're back up and running in just minutes. The intelligent battery management system further extends battery health, making sure it remains efficient and long-lasting over years of usage. Connectivity-wise, the Realme Ultra is fully future-proof, featuring 5G connectivity for blazing fast internet speeds, ultra-low latency, and seamless streaming. Whether you're downloading large files, playing multiplayer online games, or making HD video calls, the Realme Ultra's 5G network capabilities ensure lag-free and uninterrupted performance. The device is also equipped with Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and an advanced under-display fingerprint scanner, making security and connectivity faster and more reliable than ever. The inclusion of dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming. Running on the latest Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 15, the Realme Ultra provides a clean, intuitive, and feature-rich user experience. The software is optimized for smooth animations, smart AI enhancements, and personalized customization options. Whether it's the Smart Assistant, system-wide dark mode, or new gesture controls, Realme's software ensures a seamless experience that adapts to your needs. Overall, the Realme Ultra is a flagship smartphone built to impress. With its stunning AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, professional-grade camera system, long-lasting battery, and ultra-fast connectivity, it stands as one of the most promising smartphones of the year. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, or tech enthusiast, this device delivers on all fronts. So, what do you think about the Realme Ultra? Are you excited about its features, or do you think there's another smartphone that could outshine it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest smartphone news, leaks, and reviews, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay tech savvy.